What's up folks, welcome to Slake Academy. I'm Pradeep. Today we are going to see pair of linear equation 2 variables exercise 2 in which we have already solved from 1 to 5 questions. So that video I'll be giving in the description. Now we are going to solve the questions from 6 to 10. Okay, so let's go forward. So we can see the sixth question. The question says places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time at different speeds. If the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So the question here saying is that suppose there is a car here that is at point A. Okay, there is one more car at point B. So now from point A, whatever the car is there, let's say the car is P, whatever the car there here at point B, let's say that car is Q. So now this P car is traveling this side, even the Q car is also traveling this side. So in such case, this both of the P and Q cars, they are meeting at certain position, let's say M position. So this P and Q cars were meeting at M position after traveling for 5 hours. Okay, that means car P speed is more higher than car Q. So both they are meeting at point M after traveling for 5 hours. So that is the first condition they are saying. And in the second condition, same, this car A is there, car B is there. Okay, so this time in the first condition both of them are traveling the same direction, but this time car A is traveling this side, even car B is traveling opposite to the side of A. So means A is traveling this side, B is traveling this side. So in such case both of them were coming together, that is they are traveling in opposite direction. So they are meeting one another just in 1 hour. Okay, so these are meeting in 1 hour, whereas these are meeting at 5 hours. So now they are asking the question saying that what are the speeds of the two cars. So let's try to find out for this. For that we can write the given part first. So as we took P and Q, we'll write that also. So I can write let P and Q are the cars starting. So where they are starting, they're starting from A and B respectively. Okay, so now for the reason we can say that what are their speeds. I'll write here let the speed of we'll say speed can be ex kilometer per hour for A. Let the speed of A be x kilometer per hour and the speed of B be y kilometer per hour. Okay, here also I'll just write it as speed. So A speed we are taking as x kilometer per hour, B speed we are taking as y kilometer per hour. So these things we can actually write. The case one we will take. First case is what? They are moving in 5 hours. So that we will write when the cars, what are the cars we have taken? They are P and Q. So I can write when the cars P and Q, so they are moving in the same direction. Okay, so when they are moving in the same direction, what we can write here? Suppose the point, we will make a point, a line here. So this is, let's say, point A, let's say this is point B, and they are meeting at point M. Okay, so now of course you can little extend this, doesn't matter. So this is a point M, whereas from point A to point B the distance is about 100 kilometers, that was given. Okay, so it was 100 kilometers. Of course the time taken is how much? 5 hours, 5 kilometer per hour till M. Okay, so of course for A it was 5 kilometer per hour, even for B also it was 5 kilometer per hour. So however now we'll write the same things here. So I can write here distance covered by, first car will write by car P in 5 hours. So as a speed we took it as x, so we can write this as 5x. Okay, same we'll write distance covered by car, what is the second car? We have taken it Q. So in 5 hours, how much was the distance? That was 5y. Okay, so what about this the distance from AM and the distance from BM? That also we'll write here. AM equal to how much? It was 5x kilometer, right? And what about BM? Even BM we can write it as 5y kilometer. That is what we got over here. So now here what about this complete AM? What could be the complete AM distance? That if we have to find out the AB distance and also AM distance clearly, that we can write it as AM minus BM, that will be giving AB, right? So here is AM, this total part is AM. From AM, if we just subtract this BM part, so we'll be getting the remaining AB part, right? From total AM, if we subtract BM, so we'll be getting AB. So that is what we are doing here. So I can write what is AM. AM, that is 5x. Okay, and what about BM? BM is 5y. What is AB? AB is the distance, it was 100 kilometers. So that was given. So we can write 100. So if you just take 5 common from here, so I'll take 5 common, that is x minus y equal to 100. So now if you just cancel 5 with 100, so what will be getting? X minus y equal to 100 by 5, where the 5 is sent to this side. So the equation will be getting x minus y equal to 20. Okay, so let's say this is the first equation. So now we did for 5 hours. Now we'll do for 1 hour also. So that is case 2. So I can write here case 2. Okay, in case 2 we can write when the car P and Q, so they are moving in which direction? They are moving in the opposite direction, right? So I write here they are moving in the opposite direction. Okay, so we'll even make the figure also for clarity. Suppose if this is point B and this is point A, the distance is how much? 100 kilometer apart, the point A and B, whereas they are meeting at certain point. Let's say they are meeting at N. So this also will write distance covered by P in how much? In 1 hour, that is x kilometer. So here P is there, right? First one and second one. So the distance covered by P in 1 hour is x kilometer. In the same way, distance covered by Q is how much? So that will be y, right? In 1 hour it is y kilometers. So now what is AN? The distance AN, even the distance BN, that also we'll find out. What is the distance AN? AN is nothing but let's take this AN, only this AN part, it was x kilometer. And what about the BN part? BN is y kilometer. Okay, so because we are seeing from A to N, that is what we got x. From B to N we got y, so that is what we took. So now what about this AN plus NB? That will be giving the complete AB, right? So we will write here AN plus BN, so that is giving us AB. What is AN? AN is x, whereas BN is y, AB is, it was 100. So this is equation 2. Okay, so if we solve equation 1 and equation 2, so we'll be getting the solution. So I can write here solving 1 and 2. So what is the first equation? It is x minus y equal to 20. So I can write second equation I'll write first. So I can write x plus y equal to 100, then x minus y equal to 20. These are the equations which we got, right? X minus y equal to 20. Yes. So now we can cancel plus y minus y cancel. So x plus x is, it is 2x equal to, this is 100 plus 20, it was 120. So I can write this is x equal to 120 by 2, where x value will be getting as 60 as the value. So x we got how much? X we got 60 as the value. So if we just submit this x value, so I'll write here submitting x equal to 60 in, either we can submit in equation 1 or 2. So I'll just submit in the 2. So x plus y equal to 100 is the second equation. So in the place of x I'm writing 60. So 60 plus y equal to 100. If I send this 60 to other side, that is 100 minus 60. So y value will be getting as 40. Okay. So x is 60, y is 40. That is the values which we got. So we'll write the conclusion for the same. I can write, therefore the speeds of the cars, I'll write car P and car Q separately. The speed of the car P, that is how much? It was x which we have taken, we got 60. Same thing we can write the speed of the car Q. The speed we have taken it as y, that we got 40. Of course this is kilometer per hour. This is also kilometer per hour. So this is what they asked to find out, and we got the speeds of both of the cars. So let's see the seventh question. Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the measure of the smaller angle. Find the measure of the each angle. Okay. So there are two angles here. One is smaller angle and other one is larger angle. So first we'll write that. Let the measure of the smaller angle, that will take it as x. Okay. Larger angle we'll write it as the measure of the larger angle. So that we will take it as y. Okay. So smaller we took x, the larger we took y. So now they are saying certain condition. The larger is 3 degrees less than twice the smaller angle itself. So I'll write here the larger angle is 3 degrees less than twice the number they are saying. So I can write twice the measure of the smaller angle. So what we can do here? So they are saying about the larger angle we took it as y. So y equal to twice the smaller they are saying. So 2x and less than they are saying. So I can say minus 3. So we got y equal to 2x minus 3. Let's see, that is the larger angle they are saying about. So I wrote the larger angle, it was y. So they said 3 less than. So I wrote minus 3. Twice the measure of smaller. So smaller we took x. So twice the smaller, that means 2x we have taken. So now according to this we can take this as the first equation. So now they are saying they are the complementary angles mean. So what are the complementary angles? Sum of the two angles, if that is 90, we will say that particular angles has the complementary. So we'll write the same here. The two angles, they are what? They are complementary. Okay, the larger and the smaller, they are complementary, that was given. So now we can write the two angles were what? X plus y, that was 90, because they are complementary. So for this I can write x plus, in the place of y I will be writing this 2x minus 3. So this is 2x minus 3 equal to 90 is the equation. So now we'll further solve this. X plus 2x, will be getting this as 3x minus 3 equal to 90. If I send this 3 to other side, this will be 3x equal to 90 plus 3. So this is becoming how much? As this is minus 3, if that is coming to this side, so that is becoming 90 plus 3. So x equal to 93 by 3. Okay, so now this is very clear. So now what we do is that 3 I can write x equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we got x value as 31. Okay, so now this value, whatever we got x equal to 31, if we that submit in the first equation, we'll be getting even the y value. So I can write submit x equal to 31 in, I'll submit in equation 1. So y equal to 2x minus 3 is the equation. So here I can write y equal to, in the place of x I am writing 31. So 31 minus 3. So this is how much? This is 2 3 are 6, 2 1s are 262 minus 3. That is the y value. So I can write y equal to 62 minus 3 is how much? It was 59. Okay. So now we got this as 59. So let's check whether they are complementary or no. So first angle we got x as 31, y as 59. As they are saying complementary, that is nothing but complementary in the sense x plus y, that should be 90 degrees. So x we got 31 and y we got 59. So if we add this 59 plus 31, how much we'll get? 9 plus 1 10. This is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So we got 90 as the value. So which means 31 plus 59 is a 90, where these both angles which we got, that is x equal to 31 and y equal to 59, both were complementary angles. So we'll write the conclusion as the same. So I can write here hence the measure of the two angles. How much was the measures we got? That is x equal to 31 and y equal to, we got 59. Okay, so these are the two angles. One is the larger, which is 59, and the smaller, it was 31. So that is what they asked us to find out, and we got that particular angles. So let's see the 8th question. A dictionary has a total of 1382 pages. It is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. How many pages are in each part of the book? So there is a book. The book contains around 1382 pages. So this particular book they have divided into two parts. Okay. So in that, the second part value they are giving that as 64 pages more than the first part. Suppose the first part will say it as x, whereas the second part is that x plus 64, we can say that is more than the first part. So we'll write the same here, that is we'll write let the number, okay, number of pages in the, we'll say for first part we'll take it as x, okay, and the number of pages in the second part, I can write the number of pages in the second part. So how many were there? That will take it as y. So now according to the condition, that is the total number of pages are 1382. So I can write the total number of pages, the total number of pages, okay, so that is 1382. So what are the total? That is nothing but we can write x plus y. The first part is x, second part is y. So x plus y equal to 1382. So let's say this as the equation 1. So now here we'll see the second condition also. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. So we'll write that the second part the second part of the book has 64 pages, more than the first part. In such case, we can write this. So what is the second part that we took as x, and they are saying first part is how much more? It was 64 pages more, so I can write x plus 64 that we are taking as y. So y equal to x plus 64 is the second equation which we got. So now we got equation 1 and equation 2, both of the equation. If we solve this 1 and 2 equations, and we'll be getting the x and y values, that is first part and the second part values, so that we will get it. So I can write solving 1 and 2. So what do we get here? First part is x plus y equal to 1382. Okay, so this particular second one I can simply first I'll just further solve it. That is, if I just send this y to this side, that is I can write x minus y plus 64 equal to 0, and this 64 I'll send to other side again. So this is x minus y equal to minus 64. So let's say this is the second equation. Okay, so now I'll solve that. So I can write x minus y equal to, that is minus 64. Okay, so now we'll solve them. Plus 5 minus 5, both of them will get cancelled. So x plus x, we are getting 2x, whereas 1382 minus 64, that we'll be getting as 1318. Okay, so this is again x equal to how much? That is 1318 by 2, right? And 318, the 2 comes other side, that is by 2. So x value will be getting as, when we divide 1318 by 2, how much we will be getting? 659 is the value which we get. That is, first part we took it as x, the first part pages they are saying it was 659. Even we'll find out the second part also. The second part we have taken it as what? I'll do what? Submit x equal to 659. We can submit in either equation 1 or equation 2. So I'll be submitting in equation 1. So what do we get? What is the equation 1? That is x plus y equal to 1382. So I can write this as 659 plus y equal to 1382. So this, if I send to other side 1382, 659 I'm sending to this side, minus 659. So 1382 minus 659, how much will be getting this as? That will be getting as 723. Okay, so this is the second part. Okay, let's check it out whether they are right or no. That is, if we add 723 plus 659, 9 plus 3 is how much? That was 12. This is 2 plus 1 3 plus 5, that was 8. And what are we getting here? 6 plus 7, that is 13. So 1382 were the total number of pages. In the one part we got 659, second part we got 723. So whatever the answer we got, that was perfect, that was the right answer. So we'll write the conclusion. We can say, therefore the pages in first part, that is how much? The first part we took it as x, so that is 659. In the same way we will even get the page in the second part. So I can write this as pages in second part, that is y, we are getting it as 723. Okay, so they asked us to find out the first part and second part pages, the number of pages in the book. So we got the first part pages as 659 and the second part pages we got it as 723. So let's see the ninth question. A question says, a chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid in stock. One is 50% solution and other is 80% solution. How much of each should be used to obtain 100 ml of a 68% of solution? So for that reason we can write this as let the first solution, okay, first solution contains how much? It is 50%, right? So I can write yes, contains 50%. Okay, so what about the second solution? I can write the second solution contains how much it has. It was about 80%. Okay, of course acid, 50% of acid and 80% of acid it is having. So now here now we'll write, let the first solution will take it as x and the second solution will take it as y. So I'll write the first solution be x, okay, the second solution that will take it as y. Okay, so now what they're saying is that the total is 100%, so we can write here x plus y equal to 100 is the total amount of solution. So x plus y we got 100, so they are saying that 50% solution of the 80% solution, so that also will write the acid content in the mixture. Okay, so that we'll write it as 50% of first solution. First we took it as x, and the second solution, that is 80% of second solution, we took it as y. So 80% of y we can write. So that is how much now it was. They're saying 68% is there, so I can write here equal to 68 as the value. So now here, as this is given in the percentage, I can write 50%. We'll write in this form. 50 is nothing but 50x by 100 plus this also 80y by 100, because that was in the percentage form. So this is 68 which we are taking. So now here if we cancel 51s are 52s are, okay, and this is 80 is there, so we can solve this. That is, we can write this as because 0 0 can be cancelled, only 10 is remained. This I can write 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So this we are getting as x by 2 plus 4y by 5 equal to 68. So this is the equation. We'll further solve this equation. So I can write this as, means we should do LCM here. So I can write 5x plus 2 into 4y, whereas this is how much? 2 5s are, it was 10 equal to 68. So this will be getting as 5x plus 4 2s are 8y. If I send this 10 to this side, that is 68 into 10, we'll be getting this as 5x plus 8y equal to 680. So let's say this particular equation will take it as second equation. Already first equation we have taken, that is x plus y equal to 100. This is the first equation we already took, whereas 5x plus 8y equal to 680, that as a second equation we got now. So now we'll solve these both of the equations. We'll be getting the solution. I can write solving 1 and 2. So what is the first equation? It was x plus y equal to 100. So I can write here x plus y equal to 100 is the first one, and this one is 5x plus 8y equal to 680 is the second one. So to solve, at least any one element should be equal, right? For the reason, this particular equation I'll multiply with 5. Okay, when I multiply this first equation with 5, I'll be getting this as 5x plus 5y equal to 5 into 100, it was 500. This also I'll be getting 5x plus 8y equal to 680 I'll be getting. So now if I cancel this, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus. I just took minus in complete second equation because we have to solve this. So plus 5x minus 5x can be cancelled. This is minus 8y, this is plus 5y, so this will be getting minus 3y. So 500 minus 680 will be getting minus 180. So minus minus can be cancelled. So this we can write y equal to 180 by 3. So now this 180 will be solving that. So y will be getting 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So we are getting y equal to 60 as the value. So let's submit this y equal to 60 in the first equation. That is, I can write submit y equal to 60 in first equation. So what is first equation? x plus y equal to, it was 100. So now y equal to 60 I'm submitting, so I'll be getting x plus 60 equal to 100, whereas this is x equal to 100 minus 60, so x value I'll be getting as 40. Okay, y value when we got 60 and x value we got 40. So we'll write this as a conclusion. So I can write, therefore the quantity of first solution is how much? First solution we also took it as x, so first solution, that is x, is equal to 40 ml. Whereas what is the second solution? I can write the quantity of second solution. So second solution we took it as y, so y equal to, we can write 60 ml. So first solution we got 40 ml, second solution we got 60 ml as the answer. Let's see 10th question. You have 12,000 saved amount and wants to invest in two schemes yielding 10% and 15% interest. How much amount should be invested in each scheme so that you should get overall 12% interest? So we have 12,000 rupees that we are investing in two different schemes, where the first scheme we are getting interest of 10%. In the second scheme it was giving around 15% interest. Okay, so now the question here is that how much amount should be invested in each scheme so that you should get overall 12% interest. So now overall interest, if we want to get the first scheme and the second scheme, if we want to get 12% of interest overall compared to both of them, so how much of amount we should spend in both of the schemes, in first scheme and the second scheme? That was the question. So we'll try to solve it. So I can write, let the amount to be saved, how much? In the first case, that is for 10%, we'll write it as x. Okay, and we'll say it was even rupees x, we'll say. In the second case, I can write the amount to be saved. What is the second case? That is 15%, so I can write 15% b y. Okay, so what they are giving, the total, it was 12,000 we have, so I can write from given, what we can write, x plus y, that is equal to 12,000. So let's say this is the first equation. So 10% we are spending in one of them, 15% we are spending in the second one, so I can write here 10% of x plus 15% of y, that is giving how much? 12% of total is 12,000. So 12,000, right? Total it was giving 12%, so we should write 12% of total amount 12,000. So now we will write this as, this is 10%, so we can write 10 by 100. So x plus this is 15 by 100 y equal to, this is also percent, 12 by 100 into 1 to 000, that is 12,000. So if we further solve, we'll get the answer. This is we can write here as, this is 10 by 100, 15 by 100, 12 by 100, all that we can take 100 common, so I can write 1 by 100 common, so we'll be getting this as 10x plus 15y. Here also we'll be writing as 1 by 100 common, so only 12 into we can multiply this. 12 into 12 is how much? It was 20, so 12 12, it was 144. So 144, these zeros will come as the same. So now here this 1 by 100 can be cancelled, and we'll write the remaining things. So the remaining, what we got here, 10x plus 15y, that is equal to, we are getting 144, and this is 000. So let's say, so the second equation. So the first equation and the second equation, both of them will solve it, and we'll be getting the answers. So I can write solving 1 and 2. So let's write the first equation. x plus y equal to 12000, and the second equation is 10x plus 15y equal to, that is how much, 144, that is 000. So now anyhow, if we have to solve this, at least one element should be same. So first equation I'll just multiply with 10. So let's see what do we get here. So that is 10x plus 10y equal to, that will be getting as 12000, and we are multiplying with 10, so one more 0 will come. So this is again 10x plus 15y equal to, this is 144,000. So we'll solve this. To solve, we'll just apply minus in complete equation. So this is minus, minus, minus. So these both get cancelled. Minus 10, minus 15. So this will be getting as minus 5y. And whereas this particular one, how much we will be getting? This is 12,000 and this is 144. Of course, this is 12 is there. Here 144 is there. So that will be getting as minus 24,000. Okay, minus minus can be cancelled. So y value will be getting as y equal to 24,000 by 5. So if we further solve this, how much will be getting it as? 4800. So y value we were getting y equal to 4800. So this is the y value which we got. The y value we can either submit in the first equation or second equation, even will be getting the x value. So I can write submit y equal to 4800 in, I'll submit in the first one. So first equation is what? That is x plus y equal to 12000 is the first equation. So let me submit the y value here. So x plus 4800 equal to 12000. So now if I send this side, so I'll be getting x plus, of course this is coming this side, so x equal to 12000 minus 4800. So that is, when we subtract this, how much do we get? We'll be getting 7200 as the answer. So we got x value as 7200 and y value as 4800. So the amount which is saved in two of the schemes, that we will write the conclusion. Two scheme, one scheme is a 4800 we got, in second scheme we got 7200. So I can write, so the amount to be saved, how much? In one of the scheme, the amount saved at 10% is how much? It was rupees 7200. Okay, same, the amount saved at 15% is how much? That is rupees 4800. So this is what the values which we got when we have to find out. For 10% is 7200 and for 15% we are getting 4800. So I hope this all questions were very clear to you. So keep going, stay tuned.